Hi there, good evening. I'm just about to do an unboxing on a recent package that has been delivered to me. It's going to be from one of my competition entries, something that I have won. So let's see what this one could be. Okay, this one is saying... It's from Ideal World. This one actually was a Freebie Friday competition, and it was, a question was, what are you going to do with your bank holiday weekend? I just put an answer of that I'm going to be taking my children to Brighton for the weekend, and I think there was around 500 entrants. I won this one, and it was a mystery. So I know there's a few of you out there that wanted to know what my mystery was. Here we go, I'm about to find out. Hi Vicky, congratulations on winning our competition. With compliments, the social team. So here we go. Let's see what this could be. Right. It's exciting. Oh, here we go. It's the first one. Right, let's have a look. Okay, nice little box. Protocol. What is this? Let's have a look what this might be. It is a moisturising facial gel. Collagen technology. Anti-aging vitamin and mineral gel. Thoroughly clean skin, that's fine. Okay, so that's that one. That's cute, that's nice. It's a nice little surprise. And the second one, oh, it's inside there. Sorry, I was just knocking the cat. The cat was trying to climb up onto the table. Elizabeth Grant Renewal Night Serum. There we go. So that's those two. That's nice. And there's more. Ooh. Packaging. These always come in quite handy, actually. I like to keep these for something else. Another box is empty. And this is the last reveal. Wow, what a nice bottle that is. Elizabeth Grant Supreme Cell Vitality with Gold Revitalising Day Serum. Wow, look, it's very, very nice bottle. Ooh, very nice. Day serum to entire face and neck area every morning. And now the cat is getting in the box. Why do cats like boxes? Okay, so this was my win. Nice little win that is. So thank you very much for joining me. If you want to see any more unboxings, like, subscribe and share, and enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Back to Monday tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Good night.